welcome to our channel. This is Broke Brothers Racing. I'm Burr.
Tyler.
Pedro.
We're out here at Sandia. We're about to do some racing. We got our Corvette, we got our Mustang, and we got Miata here. All right, you guys, I'm up first. I got our buddy Felipe with us. Here we go. All right, Pedro, let's see it.
Okay, buddies. Bye. Let's see me do a burnout. Madre. For the content.
We have an issue with this where we think either the evap line or something's clogged, but it is now. Oh fuck!
That ain't good. At least we got that on.
Oh, put it back on, bro! Oh my god. No, it's fine. It's just, it's not hot because it's gas.
It's still
We need to
correct it so it's not in the cab.
Right? That's what I'm saying.
All right.
That's a stupid amount of pressure.
Yeah, it is.
Well, good news, it didn't blow up.
Okay, there we go.
Bad news,
Dude, this
this
is
happened.
Well, don't open your gas cap when it sounds like that. Learning experience.
Oh my god.
Bro, I was not expecting that. Alrighty, it's time for the real hot lap. Let's see what Tyler can do. Right now, the leading time is a 1:46.4. It's not a great time, but we're going to pretend like it is.
Yes.
So,
Yeah. I'm confident I can beat that. I'm confident. I'm gonna do my best to like put as much weight down, that way he doesn't. But it's gonna be kind of hard, so we'll see.
what'd you get again? 146.
I got 147.
Hey! Looks like I'm the winner, which means that I get a free Call of Duty skin. So,
Money.
that's it.
But mine was still the funniest.
I win.
So I don't know.
We'll see. So I did tell Pedro if he could be more entertaining than me, he would get a free
I don't
skin.
know. I'm pretty sure that me wrecking twice was entertaining, right?
Problem is, he wrecked out of our camera view, so I don't know. It's up
That's
to you
your fault,
guys.
'cause as a cameraman, it's your fault.
Hey, I wasn't recording at that point. That's Tyler.
All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. This is what we've managed to pull off. So we were here for what? How many hours, guys? Roughly
Since 10:30, 11?
10:30. It's
Oh my
what,
goodness,
3
3
o'clock now.
o'clock, yeah.
So
5
we got a
hours
good
or
track
so.
day in. Yeah, we got a lot accomplished. Lots of great content coming for you guys real soon. So please like and subscribe. That way we can keep doing this. And thank you guys again so much. This is Pedro.
I'm Burr.
I'm Tyler. We'll see you next time.